Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Rians' easy crème brûlée. This simple method ensures a perfectly creamy dessert every time. We'll start by gathering our few essential ingredients and preparing our oven. Preheating to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius is key. Don't forget to set up a water bath. It's a secret for that silky smooth texture. Let's get started on this delightful treat. Next, we'll create the rich custard base. Gently warm 2 cups of heavy cream with your choice of vanilla, either a bean or a teaspoon of extract, but do not boil it. In a separate bowl, whisk 6 egg yolks with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes light and pale. Now, slowly pour the warm cream into the egg mixture, whisking constantly. This tempering step is crucial to avoid cooking the eggs prematurely, ensuring a smooth custard. Now it's time to bake our custards. Carefully pour the prepared custard mixture into 4 to 6 individual ramekins. Place these ramekins into your preheated water bath. Bake them for about 30 to 40 minutes. You'll know they're ready when the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle. Once baked, remove them from the water bath and let them cool completely before chilling for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. Finally, the exciting part, creating that signature crunchy topping. Just before serving, sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the top of each chilled crème brûlée. Then, using a kitchen torch, carefully caramelize the sugar until it turns a beautiful golden brown and becomes bubbly. Be quick, as it burns fast. Serve these delightful desserts immediately to enjoy the wonderful contrast between the crisp, warm sugar and the cool, creamy custard below. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.